Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So as you can see, we have the finished mystery savings challenge and also the finished shut the box challenge that we are going to be unstuffing and restuffing into some of our categories. We have the handy dandy my little game, the completion of the 2023 scratch off, but it's literally just completion of any scratch off or any challenge that I do. So we're going to be rolling some dice. And then we have the Dollar Madness. Now, I'm not sure how much money we have. I actually did not count it. So we're going to go ahead and count that. I have no idea where my dice is, which is great for us, you guys. I have no idea where that is. So we're going to go ahead, go all the way to shut the box. And we're going to take that money out as well. So like I said, this is the completed version of Shut the Box. And I found my dice. There's my dice, you guys. While I'm talking, I'm looking. All right, so first off, let's count the Shut the Box and see how much we saved from Shut the Box. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, and 88. So $88 is how much we have from Shut the Box. And then also the mystery one. Let's see, we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, and 75. So plus 75 equals to $163 is how much we have saved from those two challenges, which is super exciting. I am so excited to unstuff these and restuff these. It is going to be super fun. And like I said, we are going to be winging it. We're going to be rolling some dice. We're maybe complete some challenges, but I highly doubt that. So we are just going to do all of this first. And this is a lot of dollar bills. So maybe, let me see how many dollar bills we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So maybe we can do, that's $23. We're just going to play it by ear. So first off, we are going to go ahead and let's just roll for this one. And let's do the Dollar Madness a little bit. So we are going to probably roll, let's do 5 rolls and see where we get at. Or maybe 6. Let's do 6 for the even number. All right, so let's go ahead and roll. And if we roll doubles, that does not count as a roll. 6, 7. 7 is going to be special occasion, which is great, because I definitely need to put some money in that. It's a special occasion. It's going to be getting $1 for that. Roll number 2 is doubles, and if we have doubles, it automatically will go towards treat myself. I'm going to put that aside, and we are going to be putting it also into giveaways. So we are going to do that, and giveaways is all the way in the back. So that is roll number 2, and we're going to go ahead and roll number 3. 6 and 7, which is special occasion as well again. So let's see, special occasion is going to be getting $1. Roll number 4. 5, 6, 7 again is special occasion, which I'm not mad about it because I do have a trip coming up that I need to save for. So roll number, let's see, 3, 4, roll number 5. 4, 5, which is car. Good. All right, and then last roll. 2, 3, which is home renovations, and we're going to put it in furniture. And since that is the last, oh wait, did we say we're going to do, yeah, we said we're going to do 6. So let's go ahead and count it. Let's see. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 81, 82, and 83. $83 in furniture. Treat Yourself only has $1 right here, but this is my Treat Myself wallet. So let's see how much we have. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So $20. I am going somewhere after I finish filming this video, so maybe I will use my Treat Myself for some food. Cart maintenance is getting $1. Let's see, we have $500 already. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57. So 257 equals $757, which is awesome. And then I think last but not least is Special Occasion, which got $3. Let's see. So we have 20, 40, 41, 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, and 47. So $47 in there. All right, so what are we gonna do next? I do wanna do rainy day fun. And I want to actually put $30 in the rainy day fund. We're going to do $30, and this is going to be going towards savings and the Roth IRA, all that stuff. So $30 for that. And that is going to go into rainy day fund. So rainy day fund, and we do not count this. 20 and 30. And we'll count this when we are done. And I do want to do some debt. So how much money do I have for debt? So 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 41, 42, 43. 43. Let's do 27. Let's do 27, I think. 43. Yeah, let's do, I'm trying to think. 27. Let's see what gets that. 20, 25, 26, and 27. Let's see. All right, let's count and see where we're at. So 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. So $470. So we are getting closer to $500. And then we will make a payment, which is awesome. All right, let's see what we're gonna do. Oh, I do want to do Christmas because I'm not sure if I can fund Christmas a lot for the next paycheck. Only because I'm taking unpaid PTO because I need to save up PTO for some other things, for vacation and stuff that is coming up. So we are going to do, let's do $40. So 20 for Jared and 20 for myself. So let me go ahead and color that. And then for me, $20. And that is for both of us. So we can get ahead of that. And we should have the same amount. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80. So 280. And then 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80. 280 as well. Okay, let's see. Definitely want to do pet emergency fund. I just completed this and we have already started it back up. So we are going to do another dog bone, which is only $10. I mean, we could probably stuff another one, but I kind of want to do some other things first. Let's see. Let's do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $10 in pet funds. And I actually have ordered some more of these vinyls, and they should be coming up. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and we have $500 in the bank already. So $520. So let's see. I think that is it. I actually want to do one of these. So let's see. Let's go right here. Oh, $15. I think that's fine. 10 and 15. Let's see. I'm going through this money fast, guys. All right, so we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So $85 out of $200. Okay, so let's see. I think that is all of the challenges that I actually want to do. Now I'm actually going to take this. Taxes, no. YouTube, I only stuff it when I get a YouTube paycheck. eBay, 25, 30, 31. I really don't need anything right now for eBay. Appliances, furniture, I definitely need to stuff this. So 20, 40, 60, 80. Let's do $20 so then we can have over $100. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 1, 2, and 3. So $103 for furniture, which is awesome for us. Home decor, home reno, giveaways. Let's do another $5. 1, 2, 3. Well, actually, let's save these ones. So $5. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78. $78 for giveaways. Awesome. Okay, so I thought my plan was to almost finish the food and drink for Disney, but that did not go as planned. I wanted to do other things. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. $9 left. And I think we should just roll the dice again. So let's see. Should I do it in here or here? I actually need to update this. Let's go ahead and just do the Dollar Madness again. And let's roll. So 5, 6, 7, 8, which is debt. Awesome. I love putting debt. Okay. 5, 6, which is medical. Perfect, because we do need to start bumping medical up. Do have a doctor's appointment on Monday that I have to go to. 5, 6, 7, 8, which is debt again. Awesome. Four, 5, which is car. Let's see, 2, 3, which is home renovations. Let's see, let's put it in appliances. 20, oh wait, I wasn't supposed to count that. Let's just put it right there, okay? I have four more dollars. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is YouTube and eBay. Let's do eBay. Let's see. That is 11, which is Dobby. Which I need to update it to Dobby and Oliver. one more. 6, 7, 8. Actually, 2 more. And that is going to go to that. And then last, if it's a double, then we will put it in Treat Yourself. Nope, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is giveaways, okay? So we are going to put it in giveaways, and we're going to count this again. I know, guys. All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, and 79. $79. And then we're going to go back to appliances, and appliances is getting 20, 25, and 26. $26 for appliances. Oh, and let's see, eBay has 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. That is it for the yellow binder. Moving on, I think it's just debt on this one. So we're gonna recount this, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. So we stuffed $3. So $473. And let's see, what else? I think that's it for that one. Moving on to our last one. So we're only going to put $1 in here, which y'all know we have $700 and something in here. So we are not going to count car maintenance because it's just a lot. Medical, we will count medical because I need to see how much I have for Monday. Putting $1 in, so we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 25, 26, and 27. So $427 is how much we have for that. Dobby is going to be getting $1, and he has 20, 25, 26, 27. $27. Special occasion, nothing. All right. And that is it, you guys. So we unstuffed everything. And I am so proud of myself. That was over $100. And I already forgot, $163. So 75 plus 88, $163 has been unstuffed and stuffed again. And I am extremely excited about that. We stuffed a lot of stuff, and I am grateful for that. But anyways, thank you guys for hanging out with me for almost 20 minutes already. I would not be where I'm at today without you guys, and I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm super thankful for you guys. But anyways, I hope you like this video. If you do, comment, like, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And I will see you guys on Tuesday for another money challenge. Anyways, bye guys.